Okay, so with AWS, where do you? Okay, hold on a second. What's going on with? Let me fix this over here on TikTok real quick. Got a lot of people watching me on TikTok. That's wild. Rookie, thank you for that $10. I appreciate you. Bob says, so with AWS, where do we kickstart for a cloud security? Where do we kickstart for a cloud security? So where do you go from there? The first step is to know the fundamentals of AWS, and then once you know, it's just like what I tell everybody about a GRC. As GRC people, just like cloud, GRC person, just like a cloud security person, at the end of the day is a cybersecurity person. You have to know the fundamentals in order to protect the infrastructure. So the AWS is no different. Azure is no different. We have to have a solid understanding of AWS and Azure and the Google Cloud in order to secure it properly. And then the next step is to know the security products on that particular platform, which they asked me extensively about in several interviews, by the way. They asked me about the services, the security services that are in AWS. And luckily, I studied the hell out of them and was actually messing around with those. So I could answer them. That's the next step, right? That is the next step, to actually know what the tools to use on AWS, and then use the tools like on a project or something like that. So hope I answered that question.